Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In today's session, we will discuss lesson 3 from English. The name of the lesson is Save Jamuni. Save Jamuni. The lesson is about to save the trees. How important trees are. Okay. Now I'll read the text. Listen carefully, children. Look at the screen. If you have textbooks, open your textbook. Look at your textbook and listen, children. Here, there was a village near Panchavati forest. In the village lived two children, Karan and Karim. In the forest was a big jamun tree. This big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. So here there was a forest. The name of the forest was Panchavati forest. Near Panchavati forest, a village is there. In that village, two children, Karan and Karim, lived. So near the Panchavati forest, a village was there. In that village, two children named Karan and Karim lived. Now, in the forest was a big jamun tree. So, as the forest will be filled with trees, there was a very big jamun tree in the forest. This big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. Now, here in the picture you can see this is the trunk, children. The jamun tree has a very big trunk and the tree is covered with full of branches and leaves. Okay. So on hot summer days, Karan and Karim and other children would rest in its shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. They would climb the trees and sit among its branches. Now, as the tree is very big, it had a very big trunk and lot of branches and leaves are there. In summer, what happened? It gives a lot of shade. The trees will give shade. So, the summer will be very hot. So, on the hot days, the boys would go to the forest and they would take rest in the shade of the jamun tree. They played there. Sometimes they'll play hide and seek. Sometimes they'll run around it and they'll play. So, they play hide and seek around the jamun tree. And also they would take rest in its shade. Not only Karan and Karim, other children also would take rest under the jamun tree as the tree was very big. Now here you can see Karan and Karim. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. So they would play, they would play around the jamun tree, they would take rest under the shade of the tree, and also they'll climb the tree and they'll sit among the branches. So they loved playing near the jamun tree. Karan would say, look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other. Now you can see in the picture the squirrels are there. As it's a forest and full of trees are there, the squirrels played there. So Karan, whenever he sees the squirrels, he would discuss with Karim that the squirrels are running. That is, they are having chase each other. They like to chase each other. Now, the tree was the home of many birds. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nets. As the tree is very big and also bushy, covered with a lot of branches and leaves. So it is the house for many birds, has many nests. The birds have built the nest on the jamun tree. As the tree is very big, the birds have built the nest. So that's why jamun tree is the home of many birds. The birds will bring the twigs with their beaks and they will build the nest. Next, Karan and Karim liked watching the birds. As the birds, Karan and Karim, they used to play under the jamun tree. They liked the squirrels which are playing there, as well as they like to watch the birds which are there on the jamun tree. So like that the life is going on very happily. Next, Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns. Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. They had named the tree Jamuni, meaning the purple one. So here, once in a year, the tree would give the purple jamuns. Okay, so purple color fruit they will give. So Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves. They'll eat the jamuns and also they'll carry home few jamuns for their family members. And also they named the tree as Jamuni. The meaning of Jamuni is the purple one. As it gives the purple color fruits, they kept the name to the tree as Jamuni. That is the purple one. Next, one morning, Karan and Karim saw three men at Debu Chacha's tea stall. The men were carrying axes. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men. They were carrying axes and they were there at Debu Chacha's tea stall in the village. Now what they are doing, we'll see. Can you tell us the way to the forest? One of the men asked Debu Chacha. So they stood at the tea stall, that is the tea stall is Debu Chacha's tea stall. They stood there and they asked the Debu Chacha that can you tell us the way to the forest? So they are asking that what is the way to forest? After the men left for the forest, Karan said, what will these men do with the axes? We must find out. So Karan and Karim observed that the three men were asking Debu Chacha about the way to the forest. When they heard that, they were inquired about the forest. So Karan got a doubt that what these three men will do as they are carrying the axes. He got a doubt that they may cut the trees. So Karan and Karim, both of them, they followed the three men. Let's go to the forest, said Karim, as Karan got the doubt that what the men will do with the axes in the forest. So Karim said that let's go to the forest. Now they have reached. The three men went to the forest and Karan and Karim followed them. On reaching the forest, they heard a noise. Tuck, tuck, tuck. The strangers were cutting down some trees. Stop that, Karan and Karim shouted loudly. Why are you cutting down these trees? So Karan and Karim followed the three men. The three men reached the forest and they have started cutting down the trees. Some of the trees they are cutting down. So they heard the noise that is thuk, thuk, thuk as the three men are cutting the trees. So the sound of cutting down the trees, Karan and Karim heard. Then they went to the three men and they said that stop that. Karan and Karim shouted loudly, stop that. That is cutting down the trees. It's enough. Stop cutting down the trees. And also Karan and Karim asked that why are you cutting down these trees? Then what the men said, we'll see. Go away, boys. Don't disturb us, said one of the men angrily. So as Karan and Karim shouted and are asking that why they are cutting down the trees, one of the men was very angry and he shouted on the children that go away, boys. Don't disturb us. So you go away from here. Don't disturb us. One of the men shouted angrily. Then what happened, we'll see. The men would soon cut down Jamuni too. Karan and Karim did not like trees being cut down. Now they are cutting down other trees. Soon they are going to cut the Jamuni tree also, which the boys loved it, where Karan and Karim played. So what they did? They did not like to cut the trees. They did not like the thought of cutting down the trees. Next. Let's go and ask our teacher for help, said Karim. The boys ran all the way to their teacher. So Karim said that okay, now they are cutting down the trees, we can't stop them. Now we'll go to our teacher and ask for the help to stop cutting down the trees. So both the boys ran away to their teacher. Now, on hearing their story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. The villagers asked each other, why is the school bell ringing on a holiday? Let's find out. Now the two boys went to the teacher and they informed the story that the three men were cutting down the trees in the forest. So on hearing this story, the teacher started ringing the bell. Now the bell is ringing and all the villagers were discussing that what happened. Today is holiday, why the school bell is ringing. So all the villagers, they gathered and they went to the school to find out what is wrong, why the school bell is ringing on a holiday. They hurried to the school. The teacher told them what the three men were doing. The villagers were angry. How cruel, they said. They followed the boys into the forest. Now they hurried to the school, that is, they went very fast to the school and they reached. Then they asked the teacher that what happened, what is the reason why you ring the bell. Then the teacher told them that the three men were doing. That is, the three men are cutting down the trees in the forest. The villagers become very angry and they shouted that how cruel, cutting down the trees is very cruel thing. So how cruel, they said. And they followed the boys into the forest. As Karan and Karim know the way where the three men are cutting down the trees, so they went first. Back of Karan and Karim, the villagers followed. The three men were about to cut down Jamuni. Stop, don't touch the tree, the villagers shouted. Now the three men has cut down the remaining trees and now they are about to cut the Jamuni tree. When they are ready to cut the Jamuni tree, the men are about to cut the Jamuni tree. At that time, all the villagers shouted, stop, don't touch that tree. The villagers shouted at the three men that stop, don't touch that tree. Then the men got scared on seeing so many people. They threw away their axes and ran as fast as they could. So here, when the three men were about to cut down the Jamuni tree, the villagers shouted on them, stop, don't touch the tree. By seeing the villagers, the three men were scared and they left their axes and ran as fast as they could. That is, they ran from there very, very fastly. Okay. Thus, Karan and Karim saved Jamuni and the other trees. From that day onwards, the villagers took turns at guarding the trees. We all must grow more trees and protect them. So, by following the three men and informing to their teacher, and also with the help of the teacher and the villagers, Karan and Karim have saved Jamuni tree from cutting down. All the villagers, they have allotted the duties and they are taking care of the trees so that no one can cut down the trees. And not only they, we all must grow more trees and protect them, as trees are very important for us. We must all grow the trees as well as we have to. It's our duty to save the trees. Okay, that is the lesson, children. This beautiful lesson was written by Vinita Khanna. Now once we'll read the lesson, children. Come on, all of you read along with me. Lesson 3, Save Jamuni. There was a village near Panchavati forest. In the village lived two children, Karan and Karim. In the forest was a big jamun tree. The big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. On hot summer days, Karan and Karim and other children would rest in its shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. Karan would say, look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other. The tree was the home of many birds. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nests. Karan and Karim liked watching the birds. Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns. Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. They had named the tree Jamuni, meaning the purple one. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men at Debo Chacha's tea stall. The men were carrying axes. "Can you tell us the way to the forest?" one of the men asked Debo Chacha. After the men left for the forest, Karan said, "What will these men do with the axes? We must find out." "Let's go to the forest," said Karim. On reaching the forest, they heard a noise, thug, thug, thug. The strangers were cutting down some trees. "Stop that!" Karan and Karim shouted loudly. "Why are you cutting down these trees?" "Go away, boys, don't disturb us," said one of the men angrily. The men would soon cut down Jamuni too. Karan and Karim did not like trees being cut down. "Let's go and ask our teacher for help," said Karim. The boys ran all the way to their teacher. On hearing their story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. The villagers asked each other, "Why is the school bell ringing on a holiday? Let's find out." They hurried to the school. The teacher told them what the three men were doing. The villagers were angry. "How cruel," they said. They followed the boys into the forest. The men were about to cut down Jamuni. "Stop! Don't touch the tree!" the villagers shouted. The men got scared on seeing so many people. They threw away their axes and ran as fast as they could. Thus, Karan and Karim saved Jamuni and the other trees. From that day onwards, the villagers took turns at guarding the trees. We all must grow more trees and protect them. And this lesson is written by Vinita Khanna. The lesson is about how two boys saved the trees. There was a village near Panchavati forest. In the village, two children named Karan and Karim lived. And these two boys had a habit, or they loved to play in the forest under a tree. In the forest, there was a big jamun tree. The tree was so big and had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. On hot summer days, Karan and Karim loved to play under the tree. They would take rest under its shade, as well as they'll play hide and seek around the tree. And not only Karan and Karim, the tree was the house for many birds. The birds would bring twigs with their beaks and build the nest on the jamun tree. And along with the Karan and Karim, few more children will play under the shade of jamun tree. So they loved to play, and also there were squirrels chasing each other. Like that, all the children are loving, children, squirrels, birds are loving to play under the jamun tree. Now here, like that the days are going on happily. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men entered their village, and they stood at Debo Chacha's tea stall and were inquiring about the way to the forest. There were axes in their hands. So Karan and Karim, they got it out that what these three members will do, what these three men will do with the axes in their hands, why they are going to forest. So they got it out and followed the three men. Now the three men entered the forest and they have started cutting down the trees. Karan and Karim heard the sound of cutting down the trees. Thug, thug, thug. And they reached to that place and asked the men. They shouted loudly, "Stop that! Why are you cutting down the trees?" Karan and Karim shouted at the three men, but one of the men got angry and he shouted on the children that, "Go away, boys, from here, don't disturb us." And they started cutting down the trees. Now Karan and Karim did not like cutting down the trees. They thought that even they will cut the jamuni tree also. So they want to take the help of the teacher, and they ran away into the village and reached their teacher and informed the story that what happened, that three men were cutting down the trees in the forest. After hearing the story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. By hearing the bell sound, the villagers were thinking that what's wrong, something was wrong, why the teacher is ringing the bell, as it's a holiday on that day. The villagers gathered and they were discussing that what happened, something was wrong, that's why the teacher is ringing the bell. So they fastly went to the school and inquired the teacher why he rang the bell. Then the teacher said that the men were cutting down the trees in the forest. All the villagers got angry and they shouted that how cruel it is cutting down the trees, and they followed the boys and entered into the forest. Then the villagers reached the men. The men were about to cut down the jamuni tree. Then the villagers shouted on the three men that, "Stop, don't touch the tree." By seeing the villagers, the three men were scared. They threw their axes and they ran very fastly from that place. Thus, Karan and Karim saved jamuni tree and also other trees. From that day onwards, all the villagers they have took turns at guarding the trees. So children, that is about the story. And here, trees are very important for us. We all must grow more trees, and also we should protect the trees. Okay? Okay. Now with this, we'll close today's session, children. In today's session, we have discussed lesson 3, Save Jamuni. And coming to today's year homework, read the lesson. Try to, with the help of your mama or papa, try to read the lesson. Lesson 3, Save Jamuni. Okay, children. In tomorrow's session, we will discuss the bits as well as I'll show you the video of the lesson. Okay? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.